In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get off the DoorDash waitlist. Navigating the waitlist process can seem daunting, but with the right steps, you'll be on your way to dashing in no time. Let's dive in. Start by heading over to the DoorDash website. You can easily find this by searching for DoorDash in your preferred web browser or directly entering the URL. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice a variety of options available. You'll see sections not just for food, groceries, and alcohol delivery, but also for retail. Truly a one-stop shop for your needs. Your first task will be to explore these categories to get acquainted with the platform. This is an excellent time to familiarize yourself with what's popular in your area or any exclusive deals that might entice you. Now decide which type of product you're interested in. It might be a quick snack, a full meal, or perhaps an errand run for groceries. Clicking the category you're interested in will lead you to a page filled with options. Take a moment to explore the choices available. This stage is all about getting comfortable with the platform's navigation and understanding the breadth of its offerings. Next, it's time to focus on deals. Who doesn't love a good discount, right? One of the many appealing features of using DoorDash is the considerable savings you can find. Look around for any products that have a high percentage off. These deals can sometimes feature prominently on the app, so keep an eye out for labels like Deal of the Day or Special Offer. Exploring high discount items not only saves you money, but also helps you explore more food options than you might normally get on a budget. Once you've identified a product that piques your interest, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a more detailed page about that product or service, where you can find additional information like ingredients, nutritional details, or any additional offers specific to that item. This step is crucial as the extra information can influence your decision, particularly if dietary restrictions are a concern. Finally, if you're satisfied with your choice and ready to proceed, click on all the products you wish to purchase. You can add multiple items to your cart, reviewing and updating your choices along the way. As you go through this process, double-check any ongoing promotions in your cart to maximize your savings. Remember, patience is key if you're navigating the waitlist. Regularly checking for openings or emails from DoorDash can eventually secure you a spot. With these steps, you're not just getting familiar with DoorDash, but positioning yourself to leap off that waitlist with confidence. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be all set to become a dasher. Safe dashing, and we'll see you next time.